If you're a beginner to makeup, you might be confused about the order of products. Like what goes first, foundation or concealer? So let me show you what a basic face routine looks like. Before you apply makeup, you want to prep your base. Moisturizer is first, is going to keep your makeup from looking crusty. Then you're going to go in with a primer. This one's from e.l.f. Just like you would prime a wall before painting it, you need to prime before applying makeup to make it last longer. Next, a foundation or a skin tint is going to even out your skin tone. Products range from light to medium to heavy coverage, and you can decide accordingly depending on your needs. After the tint, my skin tone is a lot more even, but I still have a few dark spots that it didn't cover. This is where concealer comes in. Concealer is a lot more full coverage than foundation or skin tints. I also use it to cover my dark circles. And look how that dark spot disappeared after blending in my concealer. You can stop here if you're done applying liquid and cream products. But for me, this is the step where I cream, contour, and blush. Once I'm done applying all liquid and cream products, then I can set it with powder. Setting your face with powder is going to get rid of all this extra shine and it's going to make your makeup last way longer. See how the shine was reduced? Now my face is set. Hopefully this helped you out. Leave me your makeup questions in the comments.